Hi, it's Josh here at Jordan Bikes in Leeds, and this afternoon we have got yet another GSXS1000. It's a 2018 model. It's fitted with the standard downpipes with a decat pipe fitted to a Yoshimura cam, so it is more or less a full system. So I've removed the airbox air restrictor as well. It's still running the standard air filter. These bikes tend to run pretty bad from the factory. Standard or even with a decat setup like this, the throttle is just absolutely really snatchy. Fueling's absolutely miles off, and they are really restricted. So we're going to do the final run now, and then we'll run through everything that we've achieved. Started mapping this afternoon. The bike made 147 horsepower, which is pretty good for one of these bikes with this setup. And it wasn't fueling particularly bad top end. Most of the fueling low down was really bad, just really lean. They run really lean anyway, and then obviously fitting the full the decat system has made it really lean anyway. So I've sorted out the fueling. Opened the secondary throttle plate. It's just made them open a lot smoother because they are really rough as they open. We've done quite a bit of ignition mapping as well. That makes the bike accelerate better, and like sort of low down throttle as well. It makes that just a lot smoother. So concentrated on that as well. And we've got just short of 160 brake horsepower. So just nice 13 brake horsepower increase. You can see. There, the blue line is the first run that we did, and the red line is now. So it now revs out to what it's supposed to, and it just feels a whole lot better. The throttle is so smooth as well. The partial throttle on these bikes between 30 and 60 mile an hour. If you were to hold it between there, they're just absolutely all over the place. So it'll just run as it should really now, and it'll be a whole lot more fun and easier to ride. So I'm sure the customer will be more than delighted with it. So if you'd like yours win, please give us a call. So if you would like to see more content of the dyno videos that we're doing, please would you give us a like below,